Mhm. Hello, my name is Abhinav. So this is our StarX company website. So we have created, and in this we have the download app functionality. We have created an app also in which you can check your log, in which the user can check his attendance and everything. And this we have the model which we have created. It uses real-time face detection through which the attendance is always tracked, and it will be the model has a higher grade accuracy. So So for the model part, Arithro will be explained in the above video. So going forward, so we have created the website in this in React and Tailwind CSS, um, and the site is hosted on Vercel, and we have used Firebase as a backend. So currently Firebase is used for the contact form submissions, and in future we will be adding the user authentication system in which the user can log in and track his progress in this app itself. So, going forward, so this is our site. So, so the services we will be providing, uh, and the features of our app is like we have the virtual verification, no fake attendance can be taken, workflow automations. The Instead of using a paper pen or spreadsheets to check the to get the information of the person is present or not. So it will be automatically saved, and then instruction detection. So after that, so this is our team. So we four are the team members, and we have created the site and the app and the model itself. So after that, this is our contact form, and this is our footer. When we fill the contact form, it will so so when we click, it will give us an alert in that and this data will be get stored in our StarX database. So this is our site. So after that, you can have the about us. In our about us, we have explained our what is our basic purpose of this site, what we are planning to do. So we are also planning to go to that artificial augmented reality space also. So we will be building prototypes for it also and the products for it. So after that, how we got our motivations. So and then why to use our product and what are the benefits of it and the tech stacks we have used for it to make this site of this project a success. So based on like as I told earlier, so this website is made on React, Tailwind, React, React.js, and Tailwind CSS, and hosted on Vercel and the backend is created with Firebase. For the prototype, that is made on Python, TensorFlow, OpenCV, and the face detection models. So, and our app is created on Flutter and Dart. So, and this is the footer, and uh, and you can, and we have in this demo button, we have linked up just a glimpse of how our prototype works. So you currently we have provided the whole purpose of like how the websites it tracks and how it takes the attendance. In future, we will be adding a user authentication layer, which that user has to log in, and then they can access this demo, this product, and the for the other the employer can have the down app version also with him, so he or she can download the app from by clicking this button, and the file will get download on his PC or on his phone, and after that he can install the app, and he can track the employers like whose attendance is right now below 50% or 100%. Um, so based on that, and based on that, the automation will be easy to work on. So thank you.
Cyborg basically helps you in real-time surveillance system. So what first initially we do is we register the user, and then we allow the user to check on its surveillance. So basically what its application is, that suppose say a store owner would love to check if his store is proper or not. Firstly, he would register his employees, and then he would check on the surveillance. So that in the surveillance, the users will be registered, such that he can be identified using AI that okay that this user was there at that point of time. So firstly, let's register the user. Say this. We did a simple GUI where we did say I'll put T for test. Say entry. Then put say Gupta, date of birth, two, and then say email ad@gmail.com. I put verify data, and it shows that verification is successful. Since now the user has been registered, and now we can move on to the surveillance part. So for the surveillance part, our software takes live surveillance as well as captures image every 10 seconds of the space. For example, this is the live surveillance. Uh, Say I'm using my side camera for the surveillance part, and this is me during the first 10 seconds. Then it shows the image captured, which is last 10 seconds. Now, say if I want to put my hand here to check if it uploads a new image, we can check that. So as we can see, the new image shows the updated one, and all these images are stored in a temporary file so that the owner of small time companies or businesses can check the surveillance of the entire day. And since it happens for every 10 days, every 10 seconds, and is stored on the cloud, it stores pretty much everything. So it does not lose any recordings, or the camera cannot be glitched. Even if it glitches, we have a storage.
Greetings everyone. Today I'm gonna explain you how our app works. So here we go. As soon as the user launches the app, they'll be presented with this screen. On the top you can see there's a search bar from where the user can search anything that he wishes. On next we have people who are present. Here you can see all the faces of the people who are registered in the database and have logged into the building. Let's just take example of Sam Jackson. Today he has entered in the building and his face was registered in the database, so you can see he is present and his attendance record is 100%. Let's find out more info about Sam Jackson by clicking on his name. By clicking on his name you will be redirected to the next page where you can see Sam Jackson picture and you can see his descriptions as well. If you want more information about Sam Jackson, you can launch our web app. On our web app, that is StarX Company, you can download the APK for the app. Let's just go back to our app. Below present people, there's unrecognized faces. These are the pictures of people who are not registered in the database and have tried to enter in the building today. If you feel like there's an intrusion, you can click on this log button from where you can send an SOS ping. That's it for the app part. Thanks a lot.